What's up investors, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about a stock that has gone parabolic in the last 2 days, but has been gaining steady over the past month. Today we'll be looking at NSAV Holdings. This is traded on the OTC with the ticker NSAV. If you don't already know about NSAV, they are one of the most talked about stocks in the world right now and have gained over 20,000% year to date. Yes, you heard that right, 20,000%. And they will continue to rise as they make major moves with huge upcoming catalysts. So today we'll be looking at who exactly are NSAV and what they do. We will look at the very latest news and upcoming catalysts. We will look at the most recent financials, including important financial news and the notes to the accounts. And then we'll look at the technical charts and I'll give you my conclusion on NSAV. Before we get into the video, it takes a lot of time to do this research and bring you these videos as quickly as possible. If you find any value in the video, can I ask you to smash that like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps me out so much. You guys have been showing the channel so much support lately and I really appreciate it. Can I get another 300 likes on this video? Help me make it happen. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content like this. And if you want free money, check out Webull, who are giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 if you open an account and deposit $5. Check that out in the description below. What do you think of NSAV? Have you invested and what price target do you have? This stock is up 20,000% year to date. Leave a comment if you were in this early. I want to hear some success stories. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. NSAV Holdings is a cryptocurrency, blockchain and digital technology company who primarily focus on continuing making acquisitions and deals in the cryptocurrency sector. They are a holding company focused on diversifying their portfolio by making many diversified acquisitions in the booming crypto sector. NSAV believe that they will be a leading player in the $200 billion cryptocurrency market by operating in a similar fashion to a venture capitalist firm in the crypto, digital asset and blockchain space. However, they are developing their own solutions as well, such as developing their own cryptocurrency exchange. This exchange is central to the company's plans going forward and is a big reason for the amount of attention that this stock is getting right now. This exchange is set to launch on the 9th of August, as we can see here, and will make NSAV only the second US publicly traded company to own a currency exchange, following the Coinbase IPO in April, which valued Coinbase at over $85 billion, and we'll talk more about this in a moment. NSAV have partnered with TG Private Equity and Silver Bear Capital in order to create great value for shareholders and make many diverse acquisitions. NSAV's prized stakeholding, Virtua Broker, has launched globally as of the 31st of May, and they are a platform based on AI that offers a full range of trading services such as portfolio management, price search function, and much more. Their platform supports nearly all major cryptocurrency exchanges including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. NSAV have a 50% stake in SBCDF Investment and also hold a 20% equity with an option to acquire an additional 10% stake in New York-based blockchain rideshare platform RideHails. With the recent IPO of Coinbase, which is valued at over $85 billion, and the announcements of PayPal and MasterCard joining the crypto revolution, the management of NSAV believes that their diversified holdings will be a major step in fulfilling the company's ambition of being a leading player in the over $200 billion annual cryptocurrency market. NSAV offer financial services through partnership with Silver Bear Capital. This is primarily focused through business buy and sell services, reverse takeovers, SPACs, mergers and acquisitions, international stock loans, US stock loans, equity placements, debt placements and leveraged buyout. Again, through their partnership with Silver Bear, NSAV can provide a variety of different advisory services for development, marketing, business development, restructuring, turnarounds, mergers and acquisitions, strategy, financial advice and much more. NSAV offer e-commerce services through RideHails. This will be providing a marketplace for a variety of items from grocery to clothing and will accept payments through cryptocurrencies as well as fiat payments. According to McKinsey research, rideshare providers have only tapped into 29% of the potential market in the US rideshare market, which has already exceeded $34 billion and $8 billion in New York alone. RideHails will have direct access to 60% of the market within 12 months and currently has access to over 120,000 New York City taxi and limousine commission licensed drivers. The management of NSAV believe that the acquisition will be a major step in fulfilling the company's ambition of becoming a leading player in the multi-billion-dollar blockchain, cryptocurrency and digital assets arenas. But more importantly, NSAV has a variety of different cryptocurrency services available. NSAV has entered into the booming China cryptocurrency and blockchain market. In 2019, the Chinese government formally committed to the importance of blockchain, and by 2023 expects to spend over $2 billion on blockchain technology. Chinese officials have recently taken a softer stance on cryptocurrencies and indicated that cryptocurrency should be regulated as an alternative asset rather than a fiat currency. NSAV's management believe that China will be a major player in the $2 trillion market. China remains an extremely important player in the cryptocurrency mining. Management believes that NSAV has the resources by virtue of the recent addition of board members and Silver Bear Capital. So, if you're not up to date with everything going on at NSAV, they are very good at keeping investors up to date and regularly release updates. Earlier this week, they announced that the company is on target for the August 9th launch of its wholly owned cryptocurrency exchange. Mr. Wong, who we'll look at in a moment when looking at the management team, is NSAV director and managing partner of leading cryptocurrency exchange Bitmart. Will give a video address to shareholders next week updating the status of the exchange, which will carry the NSAV brand name. Now, this video has been released. If you'd like me to upload this video, then pause this video now, drop a comment down below asking for it, and I will upload it. Also, there's a lot of Q2 earnings reports being released in the next few weeks. Would you guys like me to live record these and get them uploaded for you as soon as possible? Drop a comment if you'd like to see this, and which companies are you most interested in. Anyways, the launch will officially mark the company's entrance into the $2 trillion global cryptocurrency market and will make NSAV only the second US publicly traded company to own a cryptocurrency exchange, following the Coinbase IPO in April, which valued Coinbase at over $85 billion. So you can see just how big of a deal this is. NSAV and Coinbase will literally be the only publicly traded exchanges. The management of NSAV believe that the company can capture a significant share of the massive Chinese cryptocurrency market given the expertise of its management and strategic partners. NSAV have also added a countdown timer to its corporate website, which we seen a minute ago. The management of NSAV and its partners are pioneers in the digital asset and blockchain industry. The team is led by Mr. Wong. Mr. Wong is also the CEO of Labs Group Limited, the world's first end-to-end blockchain power real estate investment ecosystem and powered by the Labs ecosystem token through decentralized finance and governance. As one of the founders of the Bitmart cryptocurrency exchange, he helped guide Bitmart in becoming a premier global digital asset trading platform, with over 2 million users worldwide, ranked among the top crypto exchanges on CoinMarket. Bitmart's platform supports over 220 cryptocurrencies and has a 24-hour trading volume of approximately $2 billion. Over time, the company plans to provide a wide range of services such as software solutions, e-commerce, advisory services, financial services, and information technology. Then, just yesterday, NSAV and SBC Investor Relations unveiled their dynamic blockchain strategy for the coming year. In May, the company announced its entrance into the multi-billion-dollar Chinese blockchain market. NSAV and its team of blockchain pioneers will now commence operations in North America, the world's largest blockchain market. Silver Bear Capital will navigate with NSAV's management and partners to enter the North American blockchain market. SBC Investor Relations research team believe that the current market outlook for blockchain is extremely strong and believes NSAV's business direction will benefit from this dynamic momentum. Additionally, recent research indicates that the global blockchain market size is expected to grow from $3 billion in 2020 up to $39.7 billion by 2025 at an impressive compound annual growth rate of 67.3%. Based on these indications, management believes the company's future in the blockchain sector looks very promising, and I completely agree with this. If these estimates are even remotely accurate, then 67% CARG is absolutely amazing, and to currently be only the second listed crypto exchange in what is potentially a $39 billion market is incredible. So let's look at the company's most recent financial statements, and then we'll look at two more short bits of extremely important information that were included in some other press releases that you need to know about if you're considering investing in this company. So looking at the balance sheet as at the 31st of March, the company has total assets of $455,000 and total liabilities of $1.4 million. The assets is primarily made up of a $400,000 investment in a subsidiary company and only $1,000 in cash. The liabilities is primarily made up of accrued wages, which we'll look at in a moment, and a non-convertible payable notes, which between them amount to nearly $1.2 million of these liabilities. So we can see here in note 3 of the related party transactions that the company accrues wages for its president and CEO at a rate of $120,000 per year, giving a total of $768,000 and $747,000 respectively in backdated wages. Something that I hate to see in early growth stage companies is executive management being paid excessive amounts in remuneration. So $120,000 a year seems very fair for the fine job that the CEO is doing. Looking at the income statement, we can see that they have no revenue yet and overall have a net loss of $292,000. A bigger thing that you'll notice here is the average number of shares outstanding. This stands at 5.9 billion shares, which is a little bit concerning as this is quite high. This is something that you need to be aware of, but a high number of shares is common in OTC companies. NSAV exercised its option and acquired an additional 25% stake in SBCDF Investment, bringing its shareholding to 50%. And to complete the transaction, NSAV will issue 500 million restricted preference B shares, which when converted have an estimated value of over $10 billion. And the other bit of news regarding the share structure, last month the company finalised an enhanced amendment to its Articles of Incorporation, which would prevent NSAV from enacting a reverse stock split for a period of 10 years. The amended articles are now on file with the state of Colorado. The company believes this amendment should finally put an end to all the rumours that NSAV will reverse split its shares. Now let's look at the management team at NSAV. Mr. James Tilton has more than 20 years of experience working with publicly traded companies. He has been the CEO and president of 8 publicly traded companies since 1995. He has negotiated numerous acquisitions for public companies that he has headed up. These acquisitions span the globe and include the US, UK, Belgium and China and others. He also has extensive business and marketing experience in the Far East through Metallic Business Company, a subsidiary of NCI, which is a publicly listed company for whom he marketed pre-engineered building materials in China. Mr. Tilton also assisted Starbright, a division of Oceans Biotech, another listed company, in establishing a sales distribution system in China for its chemical products. He is now CEO of NSAV, where he is working on a variety of different cryptocurrency, blockchain and digital asset projects. His numerous global connections allow him to make many acquisitions and strategic investments that will ultimately make NSAV a leading player in the over $200 billion annual cryptocurrency market. Then we have Mr. Danny Lau, Mr. Desmond Lim and Mr. Eric Ma, who are all involved through Silver Bear Capital and hold roles for Executive Director, Vice President and Senior Vice President respectively. Between them they have decades of experience in mergers and acquisitions, fund management and financial strategy across global markets. And finally Mr. Young Wong, Executive Director. Mr. Wong is currently the CEO of Labs Group Limited, the world's first end-to-end blockchain-powered real estate investment ecosystem and powered by the Labs ecosystem token through decentralized finance and governance. Mr. Wong is also presently a Managing Director at Bitmart Exchange, a digital asset trading platform, and formerly a Managing Partner at Ayana Properties, a Dubai and London property group. Mr. Wong is also a partner at Silver Bear Capital Inc. We can see here looking at the chart that this stock has gained over 20,000% since January 1st. NSAV went up like all other OTC stocks in February to a high point of just over 4 cents and had been declining since, going just under 1 cent at the start of July. However, since then the stock has been moving in this upward channel consistently for the past month, making incredible gains. But on Thursday and Friday, NSAV went parabolic, going from just over 5 cents at market close on Wednesday up to 0.0977 by market close on Friday. This stock has been consistently one of the most talked about stocks on Reddit and StockTwits over the past few weeks and has seen a sizable jump in message volume and trade volume in the past 2 days. This can be expected to continue with other major catalysts like the launch of the cryptocurrency exchange coming on the 9th of August. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop it a like if you did. Remember, Webull are giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 if you open an account and deposit $5 using my referral link, so check that out below. And if you're new around here, remember to hit that subscribe button and bell notification, follow me on Twitter and join the new Facebook group. All links below. So what do I think? I think there is huge potential here at NSAV, and I think this stock has still got the potential to go much higher than its current price of 0.977. I don't think I've ever said this before on the channel, But this stock has gained 20,000% already this year, and this might just be the start for this company. Now, I don't want to get too carried away, we must be realistic. Although the share price is still very low at less than 10 cents, there is also the fact that this float has over 4.7 billion shares, meaning that the current market cap is over $400 million. I can see this stock gaining a lot coming up to the 9th of August, but I feel there might be a bit of a pullback at that point. However, in the long term, this could be one of the stocks of the year to be getting into. With the projected growth in the blockchain and crypto markets, NSAV have a huge addressable market. They would only be the second publicly traded listed company, the other being Coinbase, who have a market cap of over $49 billion. But NSAV have a long way to go before they could even imagine having a market cap like that. As always guys, this is just my opinion. If anyone is thinking about buying this stock, I encourage you to do your own research. And if you find anything of interest that I've not mentioned in the video, leave a comment and I'll investigate it. As I said before, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching the video. What are your thoughts on the future of NSAV? Can they rival Coinbase and become a dominant market leader? Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next video.